Pakistan, a land steeped in history, is home to architectural marvels that span millennia. This nation's soil has been imprinted by the footprints of countless civilizations, each leaving behind a unique architectural legacy that tells a story of time, culture, and human spirit. The architectural heritage of Pakistan is a vibrant tapestry, woven with threads of diverse styles and epochs. From the ancient Buddhist stupas that stand as silent testaments to the country's Buddhist past, to the grandeur of Mughal architecture, each edifice narrates a chapter of Pakistan's rich cultural saga. The Hindu temples and Sikh gurdwaras, with their intricate carvings and ornate domes, reveal the harmonious coexistence of various faiths. These structures are not just places of worship, but are also symbols of the country's pluralistic heritage. As we move forward in time, we encounter the colonial buildings. These structures, with their Gothic elements and Indo-Saracenic influences, reflect the period of British rule. They are a testament to a time when Eastern aesthetics met Western architectural principles, resulting in a unique blend that is still visible in the urban landscapes of Pakistan. The story of Pakistan's architectural heritage does not end with the past. The modernist structures of the present day speak volumes about the country's progress and its embrace of contemporary designs. These buildings, while featuring cutting-edge techniques, do not shy away from incorporating traditional elements, thus maintaining a connection with the past. The diversity of architectural styles in Pakistan is further enriched by the country's UNESCO World Heritage Sites. These sites, each a jewel in the crown of the nation's heritage, offer a glimpse into the artistic and cultural prowess of the civilizations that once thrived in this region. As we delve deeper, we'll witness the transformation and evolution of architecture in Pakistan, a journey through time that reveals the nation's artistic and cultural prowess. The architectural styles in Pakistan are a melting pot of cultures and movements, each leaving its indelible mark. A journey through the architectural landscape of Pakistan is akin to a journey through time, witnessing the assimilation of various influences that have shaped its unique identity. Let's embark on this journey, starting with the Indo-Greco elements. Imprints of this ancient civilization can be seen in the form of intricate carvings and traditional layouts that echo the harmonious blend of Indian and Greek aesthetics. This style, characterized by its monumental structures and elaborate detailing, has significantly influenced the architectural fabric of Pakistan. Next, we have the opulent Mughal architecture. This style is a testament to the grandeur of the Mughal era, marked by domes, arches, and ornate decorations. The Mughal influence is still evident in many structures around the country, its legacy echoing through the ages. Then there's the Gothic architecture, brought to the region by British colonizers. These structures, characterized by pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and flying buttresses, added a new dimension to the architectural diversity of Pakistan. Gothic churches, with their soaring towers and stained glass windows, stand as symbols of this era. We also see the influence of the Indo-Saracenic style, a fusion of Indian and Islamic architecture. This style is renowned for its intricate lattice work, bulbous domes, and ornate minarets, contributing to the architectural richness of the region. Integral to these architectural styles is the use of local materials, especially bricks. The humble brick, with its earthy tones and robust nature, has been a staple in the region's architecture for centuries. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to contemporary structures, bricks have played a pivotal role in shaping Pakistan's architectural narrative. Like a mosaic, Pakistani architecture is composed of diverse pieces, each unique yet fitting perfectly together to form a captivating whole. As time progressed, so did Pakistani architecture, embracing modernist movements and industrial techniques. This shift wasn't a complete departure from the past, but rather a sophisticated fusion. Contemporary architects cleverly intertwined the new with the old, incorporating traditional elements into their innovative designs. The rise of modernist architecture in Pakistan was marked by a distinct aesthetic, one that didn't shy away from bold statements or unconventional forms. Yet, it retained a deep respect for the country's rich history, often drawing inspiration from its varied architectural heritage. Among the architects who played a pivotal role in this evolution, Nasiruddin Murad Khan stands out. His designs, a harmonious blend of modern and traditional, have left an indelible mark on the landscape. Then, there's Habib Faida Ali, another luminary whose work is characterized by a minimalist approach, yet doesn't compromise on grandeur or sophistication. Nayar Ali Dada, a name synonymous with contemporary Pakistani architecture, brought a refreshing perspective. His work, often reflecting a playful interplay of volumes and spaces, has been instrumental in shaping the modern architectural language of the country. Yasmin Lari, Pakistan's first female architect, has also made significant contributions. Her designs, while modern in their outlook, are deeply rooted in local traditions, materials, and techniques. She has been a strong advocate for sustainable and disaster-resistant architecture, further broadening the scope of modernist movements in Pakistan. Finally, we have Arif Masood, a visionary who has pushed the boundaries of architectural design. His work, a testament to his bold and innovative approach, has added a new dimension to the architectural narrative of the country. These architects, through their innovative designs, have not only reshaped the skyline, but also the very perception of architecture in Pakistan. Innovation is at the heart of contemporary Pakistani architecture, as seen in the use of materials and design principles. As we delve into the modern era, a distinctive feature that stands out is the use of rammed earth. This construction technique, deeply rooted in tradition, has found renewed relevance in the contemporary architectural scene. Compacted layers of earth are used in building, offering a sustainable and eco-friendly solution. This technique not only pays homage to the country's past, but also paves the way for a greener future. Parallel to this, traditional courtyard design principles are making a comeback in modern buildings. Courtyards, an integral part of Pakistani homes for centuries, have been reimagined to fit the needs of the modern dweller. They serve as communal spaces, promoting social interaction while also providing natural ventilation and light. This clever blend of tradition and function is a testament to the ingenuity of Pakistan's contemporary architects. One can't discuss contemporary Pakistani architecture without mentioning the Faisal Mosque in Islamabad. This iconic building breaks away from traditional dome structures, instead featuring a series of sleek triangular roofs. It's a bold reinterpretation of mosque architecture, exhibiting a fusion of modern design with spiritual symbolism. Similarly, the Builders Mall in Islamabad exemplifies innovative use of materials and design. The structure showcases a blend of raw, industrial aesthetics with traditional elements. Its unique design not only catches the eye, but also provides an interactive space that fosters creativity and inspiration. These contemporary innovations reflect a fusion of tradition and modernity, a testament to the evolving architectural landscape of Pakistan. In our journey through the architectural evolution of Pakistan, we've traversed centuries and cultures. We've seen how this land, rich in history and diversity, has been a canvas for architectural innovation, bearing witness to the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the intermingling of artistic sensibilities. From the ancient civilizations that left their indelible mark on the region, we've witnessed the grandeur of Buddhist stupas, the intricate artistry of Hindu temples, and the majestic dignity of Sikh gurdwaras. Each of these structures a testament to the time and culture from which they sprang. We've delved into the influences that shaped the architectural landscape of Pakistan, from Indo-Greco elements to the grandeur of Mughal architecture, the solemnity of Gothic churches, and the fusion of styles in Indo-Saracenic architecture. We've seen how local materials, particularly bricks, have played a significant role in shaping this architectural narrative. We've walked through the modernist movements that swept the country, breathing new life into the architectural scene. We've met the visionaries who dared to dream and create. Architects like Nasiruddin Murad Khan, Habib Fida Ali, Naya Ali Dada, Yasmin Lari, and Arif Masood, who blended tradition and innovation with a masterful touch. The contemporary era has ushered in a new wave of architectural innovation in Pakistan. We've seen the innovative use of materials and design in structures like the Builders Mall in Islamabad, and the reverence for tradition in the use of rammed earth and courtyard design principles. As we close this chapter, remember that each brick, each arch, each minaret in Pakistan tells a story. A tale of cultural confluence, artistic innovation, and architectural evolution. Until next time, keep exploring the world of architecture.